Hello viewers, welcome to Shopat's Math Corner. Today we are going to see about Class 6 NCRT Exercise 1.2, Exercise number 1.2. Okay, what is the first question in this Exercise 1.2? They given a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school and the number of tickets was sold in first, second and third and fourth day was given, and find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So first what you have to do, in a school they are conducting a book exhibition and they are selling some tickets also. First day how many tickets are sold, second day how many tickets are sold, and third day, first day they are selling 1094 tickets and second day it is 1812 and third day it is 2050 and fourth day it is 2751. And the question were asking is, what is the total number of tickets sold in all the 4 days? So total, if the word they given total or sum, what we need to do is we want to add. Okay, so the word if they used total means we want to add everything. So this is the ticket sold on first day, second day, third day and fourth day. So when we are adding together, we will be getting 7,707 tickets. So all the 4 days they sold 7,707 tickets. Okay, now let us see the second question. In the second question they have given that Shekhar is a famous cricket player and he wishes to complete 10,000 runs, but he scored only 6,980. Okay, and for fulfilling his dream, how many runs more needed? So what we have to do here, how much runs he wishes to complete? It is only 10,000. But he scored how much it is? 6,980. Then how much runs he need to complete 10,000? What he have to do? We want to subtract. So from 10,000, we are subtracting 6,980. Okay. So 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 8 will not go. So borrow from 1 we are borrowing. So from 1 when we are borrowing, here it will comes 9 and this will come 10. Again from when we are borrowing it will becomes 9 and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 8 it is 2. 9 minus 9 it is 0. 9 minus 6 it is 3. So it is 3020 runs. Okay. Do you understand, children? Then can we go for the third one? What is the third problem they given? In the third problem they given that in an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 vote and his rival scored 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate won by the election? So the successful candidate, how much votes he got? The successful candidate got 5,77,570 votes. And his rival means the next person, that is successful candidate goes 5,77,570 and next second the runner he scored 3,48,700 votes. So what is the margin? Margin means nothing yet, the difference of the two votes, that is called the margin. Okay, so we want to subtract. For finding the margin of votes, we want to subtract. When we are subtracting, how much we are getting? What is the difference of the candidate who won and who came as the second? The difference is 2,28,870 votes. Okay, so it is 2,28,870 lakhs. Can we go for the fourth sum? What is the fourth sum they given? In a bookstore, first Kirti bookstore sold books worth 2,85,891 books in the first week of June and worth of 4,768 in the second week of June, the same month June. How much was the sale? So first in Kirti bookstore, first week they are selling 2,85,891 cost books. Okay, so they are selling the books for rupees 2,85,891 and in the second week they are selling the books worth rupees 4,768,000. What was the total sale? They are asking the total sale. Total means what you have to do. So total sale in first week and second week we want to add. When we are adding, we will be getting as 6,86,659. Okay. So this is the sale in 2 weeks. And in that one more question they are asked that in which week the sale was more and by how much. So which week the sale was more, we know that in second week. And by how much? By how much means what we have to do? We want to subtract. So second week sale minus first week sale. When we are subtracting, the sale was 1,14,877 rupees more. Okay. And come to the fifth question. Fifth question they given that find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digit 62743, each only once. So using these digits we want to form the greatest number and smallest number, and we want to find the difference. Okay. And they said only once this digit should be used. So which is the greatest number in this digit? 7. So we will be writing 7 first. Next greatest is 6. So we will write 6 second. Then 4, 3, 2. So the greatest number which is formed using this digit is 76,432. And what will be the smallest number? If you write the digits in reverse order, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. If you are writing the digit in reverse order, we will be getting the smallest number. Okay. And they are asking what is the difference of the greatest number and the least number. Least number means smallest number. So the difference means we want to, the word difference is we want to subtract. So when you are subtracting, how much you will be getting? 52,965. Okay. Thank you children. Next video we will see the other problems. Those who not subscribe my channel, please like, share and subscribe for more videos.